Hey, Mom. When you wrote the 3, you work out. But when you're 10, you work out a little. When you're 25, you work out when you're 25. Behind of this, well, Uncle Jan is Grandpa. That's Dad. Tyler, TJ, and Trey is in the whole family. You're the youngest one. Times you're 29. You're in college. When you're in college, you drive. When you drive, you have to learn how to drive. So, the time when you do it is the time you do it. When you do it, the time is pretty good. When you do it, it's pretty cool. But when you don't look at it, it's kind of twisty and kind of old to look at. So, have a phone to go to your house and put it on your house. And when you need to call, you can call, or you can get a necklace with a toucher, and then when you fall on the ground, you can press it and then you're to the light service. So, when you do that, they come and help you by getting up. When you get up, time goes on and on and on and on. But when you do it, have life service. Life service is about cars. When you have a car, you have to drive the wheel and have a mirror so you can see back. If you don't, people think you're crazy. When people think you're crazy, they can chase you in a life ditch. When they chase you in the life ditch, you knock out for 5 hours. So when that happens, you are all muddy, and then you walk by your house, and then there's water balloons, and then your kids throw them at you. Yeah, happens a lot. But times you're 35, you have a life surge. So when you have that, you can say, show me the Carfax if you want a car. So when you want a car, lane goes on it, but you don't know what it does. It's blurry. When it's blurry, it has all the time you want. When all the time it wants you want, you get to take it anywhere you want. You can have hot chocolate. You can get kitties, dogs. You can get anything. So it's a life savings. But lights. When you have a light in your car, it's about to be 1 to 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 years old. So when it's 5, it dies out. When that happens, you have to get another bulb. When it happens again, you get another bulb. It happens a lot. When that happens a lot, kids come help you up the ground. When that happens, good luck, Charlie, too. A coat saved you from rain and wind. So that's about coats. Done.